opinion? You want to do an opinion at all on the Barlow?
Well, you can see that the shots, I mean, there's a difference. It's harder to find stuff.
Yeah, your Barlow will take a little light away.
Well, but not only that, anytime you're magnifying your image, it's gonna make it move faster.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean, you're gonna have drawbacks, but I mean, when you can dial that stuff in, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it increases your focal length.
You know, I like them both. That's the beauty of it. You know, you can use your Barlow and use your without the Barlow, and then you decide. That's what I love about it.
I know a lot of people, if they have like a digital camera, a lot of people don't use lenses with their, they'll just use the Barlow and put their camera right in the Barlow with no eyepiece in there.
Yeah. No, I didn't know that, but I would definitely suggest the Barlow if you're taking pictures with the camera.
You're definitely going to need it to get in focus too, because it gives you more room to focus.
Yeah, the problem people have been having with the cameras, like I have a Canon, when you hook it direct in there, you lose some of the focal. So you have to compensate for it, and many people have gone to the Barlow. You'll find yourself you won't be able to get it quite in focus, but then you put a Barlow on it, and that kind of takes care of that little problem. But I'm still learning.
So yeah, I guess if you're wanting to see deep space objects, like stuff you can't really see with your eye, Barlow's not going to really help you. It's just going to make it harder to see. But if you're looking at something close and you can see it with your eye, a Barlow will make it look better.
So far, like when I put in the 20 with no Barlow, this 20 is the ultra wide. I see more stuff that, like, I'll put my phone on and it won't.
Yeah.
I haven't quite been able to translate it quite what I'm seeing yet.
Yeah, like the small
it's still
details.
Beautiful, but it's really hard to capture all the beauty that it's actually picking up. But I see some really pretty shit, so I really suggest trying some like 20, 25, 30 just there in your telescope, and just because there's so much you're gonna see that you don't see with your eye until you look in the telescope. You go, wow, I didn't know there was that many stars out there.
Yeah. You guys think that this isn't hard? It is very hard.
But it's very fun.
It's fulfilling if you stick with it.
Yeah, fulfilling, fun, and we really appreciate
all the feedback.
We had a live the other day, and it went pretty good. So we'll probably be doing that some more.
With no announcement, so thank you to the people that did come through. No announcements.
Alright, you want to start this over now? Go ahead.
Alrighty, people. We'll see you next time.